Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into BNP Paribas GoMobile app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the GoMobile app. Unlock your iPhone and tap on the GoMobile banking app icon and make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, the login screen will appear. You can log in using Face ID, Touch ID or your mobile PIN depending on how your app is set up. Step 3. Log in with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on the sensor. The app will securely verify your identity. Step 4. Log in with PIN code. If biometrics are not enabled, enter your GoMobile PIN code on the screen and make sure no one else can see your PIN while typing. Step 5. Successfully log in. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the home screen where you can check your balance, credit cards, payments and recent transactions. Step 6. Security tip and help. For your security, never share your PIN or phone with anyone. If you have trouble logging in, tap forgot PIN or contact BNP Paribas customer support through the app. And that's how you can log in BNP Paribas GoMobile banking app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.